Hi, my name is Toni Burkhalter, and I'm the Fshn 120 instructor, and we're here with Oskee cooking with both her as well as some members of my teaching team. And so we have Tanvir and Samin who are going to help you guys as you learn about new recipes that are relatively inexpensive while we cook with Oskee.
Okay, so we are going to make the baked Brussels, and then here is our pre-washed Brussels. Later we're going to cut those in half. We have our cooking oil as well as the cooking oil spray. We also have the black pepper and also salt. And then we have a cutting board and we have a spoon knife, and then we have a Ziploc bag to mix everything together. We are using half bag of the Brussels, and we need to cut those in half. Now we are done with cutting those in half, and we're going to put all of them in this cooking bag. We are going to put some oil and also the pepper and salt for seasoning. Just pour some oil in. Is this enough?
Probably more.
More.
It's a lot of Brussels sprouts.
Yeah.
We can time lapse this part. Me neither.
Because it's too bitter. Oh, what about now? Will be fine.
That should be enough. I mean, if you put a little more, like I said, it doesn't really...
Adding some black pepper. I think for the pepper and salt I can add several more. I'm guessing. Based off of the wall face.
Yeah, it's to taste.
To taste.
Okay, so there will be all like to taste. You think so? Maybe? Because I'm kind of like eat a lot of pepper. Oh my god. I love all type of peppers.
Brussels sprout with your pepper.
And 1 pinch of salt. I guess so. 1 pinch should be fine. Maybe.
Maybe a little more.
Well, maybe it's good. Yeah, not should be good. I hope so. Then we close the bag. So now with the Brussels sprouts, you put it on the sheet. And then you want to put the cut side down. So now we're going to put this in the oven at 425. And set the time for 20 minutes. Now the Brussels sprout has been cooked for 15 minutes at 425 Fahrenheit, and now we are going to take it out. It has a kind of brownish color on the top, and now it's cooked already.